Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun with Leilani. We have Mama and we are making bird feeders.
Why are we making bird feeders?
Well, Papa, Mama, and I, we were outside on the porch and we saw this bird flying back and forth, and that really inspired me to make these bird feeders. And when we looked closely, she had twigs in her mouth. So we looked some fun facts on Google, and what are the fun facts we learned, Mama?
Well, the fun facts are that from March to July, the female cardinal, she's preparing for her hatchlings.
That is so cool, Mama, right?
That is cool. So what other fun facts did we learn about the cardinal, the male and female?
Well, we learned that a female cardinal is brown, like this light brownish, with a little bit of color, and the male cardinal is actually this bright, bright red. And it's so pretty.
So with that being said,
we are going to make bird feeders, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. So we're going to use some dried worms. Ew. For our hatchlings, we're going to help the mom for like a family, because we want them to stay a little longer to have some food, you know, to get food.
So what are the ingredients that we need to make our
we
feeder?
are going to use these worms for our birdhouse we're going to make.
Mm-hmm.
And we also are going to use these seeds, right?
Mm-hmm. Now another fun fact that I found out that I didn't know that birds like actual hot seeds. Spicy
birds! These birds like some spicy food.
Yeah.
Muy caliente. These birds like some spicy food.
So make sure that when you're doing these apples that you have an adult, because you have to core them, okay? So this is a core, an apple core, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spread these out like that, okay? Did you tell them the ingredients that we're gonna need for this?
So we're gonna be using apples, these bird spicy seeds, and we also need some peanut butter because that's like the glue for the
Sticking
spicy seeds.
Okay, so we're going to begin by taking the apple core and we're going to dig. Ooh, look at that. Pretty cool. Can you see right here? Can you see your kids at home?
And what if you have some birds in your backyard? You can make this fun project at home. Look at me, I got apple eyes.
Apple eyes.
Here's the apple of my eye.
So we took these apples. These are like maybe a week old apples that we're not going to eat. And instead of throwing them out, we figured, you know, we'll do the
Give them
birds.
to the birds because they'll still eat it.
Yeah, exactly. There.
We're going to get some peanut butter. Peanut butter. We got some peanut butter.
There we go. Peanut butter.
Ooh, usually I put some peanut butter on my apples and I slice them up, and it's so good.
Makes for a good snack.
Very healthy too.
So if you can imagine, if that's a good snack for us, how much more animals are going to love this gooey peanut butter with seeds.
Nice.
So we're just going to spread it all around like this.
Oh yeah, the birds are going to love this, Mama.
This is going to be
And I
really,
hope
really
the
good.
family that we have in our backyard of cardinals, they eat it.
Well,
Because we saw a first cardinal, the first bird that ate our bird feeder was the cardinal, right?
Yes, that was exciting. We all sat there taking pictures and taking videos of the cardinal that ate the apple back there. So you want to get...
Man, Mama, you're the apple to the core.
push this on the side so that we can work on the seeds. So what we're gonna do is pour some all around.
Alright.
Better yet, I'll do this. Good. That's fun. That's fun.
It is, right? I love making messes. We're kids, so we love making messes. And then we let the parents clean it up. Is mine's good, Mom?
Remember, kids, this could be pretty messy, but it's a lot of fun.
Remember, let the parents clean it up.
Parents? What about the kids? The kids can clean it up too.
Peanut butter's getting all over me. How's this?
Looks great. Ooh, you got a big old glob. I think you're good with
Yeah, it's a good apple to the core, man. Rotten to the core. Oh yeah, we need to push this aside. Yeah, I have sticky hands, so how are we gonna grab it?
I'm gonna grab this.
Can I get the bird feeder?
Sure can.
Ooh, look at that. I think I beat my mom.
Sure did. Look at yours. Came out really nice. Okay.
See?
It is. Look at that.
I think we need some paper towels.
We do need paper towels. Wow.
Man, that was just some magic.
That is. There you go. Mmm. Smells
Peanut
great.
butter.
So now that we finished doing the apples and we got them coated with peanut butter and we coated them with hot, spicy, caliente seeds, we're going to move all of this and we're going to go ahead and fill up the house. What do you say?
Let's do it. We bought a holder. And we are going to put the apples in, Mama.
So I have two wooden sticks to help me put this, and hopefully I can balance it all the way back. Voila. Okay, now that we put all the apples in the holder, there's a hook here that's going to hang, and we're going to put this aside. What are we going to do next?
We're going to grab the birdhouse and the dried worms. Ugh. Disgusting. They're going to haunt you in your dreams.
So now we're going to put the worms in here.
Me and the worms are having a staring contest. Alright, let's go. Bye-bye, worms. Oh. Ugh. Looks like we need more worms, right, Mama? Hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time we post a new video. That's why you cannot do that because this is a kid's channel. Thank you. Share this video. Bye-bye. Remember, you cannot do any comments or post notifications on this video. It's a job video. Thank you. Bye.
You hear the birds?
Yeah.
Birds want their food. We gotta go. See ya!
See ya. Okay, well, we gotta go feed the birds.
Okay, so if you want to come join us back in the backyard, so we can place these in their hooks,
Come with us.
come with us, okay?
Come on, guys. Let's go put the bird feeders on my hanger.
Come follow us.
This is our Yes, wow. I'm gonna put the apples on this hanger. There we go. Hopefully the birds will eat the mealworms and the apple.